To achieve successful body transformation, understanding the principles of muscle building and fat loss is crucial. This involves grasping fundamental concepts such as calorie balance, macronutrient distribution, and the importance of resistance training for muscle growth. Beginners need to comprehend the role of metabolism and the impact of different training and nutrition approaches on their body composition goals. Understanding the science behind muscle building and fat loss empowers individuals to make informed choices regarding their fitness journey, leading to sustainable progress and long-term success. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in promoting muscle growth. Essential dietary factors such as protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats are key components in supporting muscle building efforts. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth, while carbohydrates provide energy for intense workouts and replenish glycogen stores. Healthy fats aid in hormone production and support overall health. Understanding the significance of nutrient timing and portion control is vital for optimizing muscle building through nutrition. By prioritizing the right balance of macronutrients and making informed food choices, individuals can effectively fuel their muscles for growth and recovery, laying a strong foundation for achieving their fitness objectives. Exploring effective workout strategies tailored for beginners involves identifying exercises that optimize muscle growth and facilitate fat loss. This includes incorporating compound movements such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, which engage multiple muscle groups for efficient strength and muscle development. Additionally, focusing on high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and incorporating cardiovascular exercises can aid in fat loss while improving overall fitness. It's essential to emphasize proper form and technique to prevent injury and maximize the effectiveness of the workout routines. By understanding the principles of progressive overload and incorporating diverse exercises, beginners can establish a foundation for sustainable fitness progress and well-rounded physical development. Adequate rest and recovery are paramount in the muscle building and fat loss process. This encompasses highlighting the impact of sufficient sleep and incorporating recovery days into fitness routines. During rest, muscles repair and grow, while the body regulates hormones essential for metabolism and overall well-being. Quality sleep plays a crucial role in muscle recovery and supports fat loss by regulating appetite and energy balance. Furthermore, the incorporation of recovery days allows the body to recover from intense workouts, reducing the risk of overtraining and injury. Recognizing the importance of rest and recovery is instrumental in ensuring optimal progress and long-term success in achieving fitness goals. In the pursuit of muscle building and fat loss, beginners often encounter common pitfalls that can hinder their progress. By discussing these mistakes, individuals gain insights into how to avoid these pitfalls for sustainable fitness progress. Some common pitfalls include improper nutrition, neglecting proper form during exercises, overtraining, and setting unrealistic expectations. Understanding the significance of balanced nutrition, prioritizing proper exercise form, and allowing adequate recovery time can mitigate these pitfalls. Moreover, setting achievable and realistic goals is essential for maintaining motivation and consistency. By steering clear of these common mistakes, beginners can navigate their fitness journey more effectively, leading to long-term success and progress. Setting realistic goals and tracking progress effectively is crucial for empowering beginners to stay motivated and committed to their fitness journey. By providing guidance on establishing achievable milestones, individuals can create a roadmap for success and avoid frustration. Tracking progress, whether through measurements, photos, or performance metrics, offers tangible evidence of improvement, reinforcing motivation and commitment. Emphasizing the importance of celebrating small victories and adjusting goals as needed fosters a positive mindset and sustainable progress. By understanding the significance of realistic goal setting and efficient progress tracking, beginners can navigate their fitness journey with confidence and perseverance, ultimately achieving their desired outcomes.